When the Earth spits fire, it's an astounding display of natural power. Volcanic eruptions often have severe impacts on those living nearby. But if a supervolcano erupts, it could affect the entire planet. The worst possible consequence of such an eruption would be a threat to humanity's very existence. We are insignificant compared to that power. In the middle of the United States, within Yellowstone National Park, lies a supervolcano. It has erupted 3 times in Earth's history. Could it erupt again? And if so, what would the consequences be? Chaos, a disaster for both the environment and humanity. There's virtually no escape. There's no way to prevent it. All we can do is prepare. Will the Yellowstone supervolcano erupt again? Is humanity facing an apocalypse? Such an eruption would cause more damage than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. Would there be any warnings? How massive would the eruption be? Could anyone escape its fury? Yellowstone National Park is one of the most beautiful places on Earth. And perhaps one of the most dangerous. Most of its 9,000 square kilometers lie in Wyoming, with smaller sections in Idaho and Montana. Yellowstone is a natural wonderland, mostly untouched compared to other parts of the world. In the early 19th century, trapper John Colter was likely one of the first Europeans to explore this unfamiliar land. In 1872, U.S. President Ulysses S. Grant placed the region under special protection. Today, Yellowstone is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the world's oldest national park. The landscape is like something out of a fairy tale and is literally a geological hotspot. 2/3 of the world's geysers are located here. Long before European settlers arrived, indigenous people used the hot springs for ceremonies and healing, and they mined obsidian here to craft tools and weapons. The area has long been known as a volcanic system. However, it wasn't until a major event in 1959 that geologists began to take serious interest: a massive earthquake. The Hebgen Lake earthquake, with a magnitude of 7.3, caused significant geological changes in Yellowstone, including the formation of 289 new geysers in the days that followed. Research has revealed that Yellowstone is one of the most seismically active areas in the U.S., with a massive magma chamber hidden beneath its surface. Yellowstone's volcanic history includes three major eruptions: Huckleberry Ridge, Mesa Falls, and Lava Creek, occurring 2.1 million, 1.3 million, and 640,000 years ago, respectively. Such colossal eruptions are measured using the Volcanic Explosivity Index, VEI, a scale that gauges the explosiveness of volcanoes. A super eruption is classified as VEI 8, with global impacts on both humans and the environment. Yellowstone's volcanic system includes a massive caldera, a collapsed crater that spans about 1/3 of the park's area. These calderas form when magma chambers erupt and the surface collapses into the empty space below, creating vast depressions. Based on data from the three major eruptions, Yellowstone erupts roughly every 700,000 years, with the last one occurring 640,000 years ago. Should we be concerned? Scientists closely monitor signs such as ground uplift and small earthquakes, which could signal an impending eruption. Numerous seismic sensors have been installed in the area to improve prediction capabilities. Early detection is crucial, as shown by the eruption of Mount St. Helens in 1980, the most catastrophic volcanic event in U.S. history. The Yellowstone Supervolcano is a natural marvel, but also a stark reminder that we live on a dynamic and unpredictable planet.